It's time for a check on business news, and Richard Southern joins us now. Hi, Richard. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Janella. Happy Monday to you.
Happy Monday.
Wasn't such a happy Monday for investors, though, I'm
No,
afraid.
tell us about what the coronavirus fears are doing to the markets.
Absolute meltdown on Wall Street today, Janella. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 1,031 points. It's only the third time in history the Dow has fallen more than 1,000 points. On a percentage basis, that was down 3.5%. It all came after the coronavirus situation. There was news over the weekend of it spreading quickly outside of China, and that really raised investor anxiety about the threat the virus could pose to the global economy. I mean, China, the world's second biggest economy, has pretty much been shut down for weeks now amid this situation. Companies like Apple and Nike have warned their profits are going to take a hit. So it really all came to a head today. Janella, it was your travel and tourism stocks that really got hurt today. Air Canada down 5%, American Airlines down 8.5%. Traders were looking for a safe place to park their cash, and they bought gold, sending that to a multi-year high. So a lot of worry on the go on the markets today.
Well, it seems like some other businesses are trying to cash in on the coronavirus fears and claiming to have products that kill the coronavirus. But Amazon is taking some action. Tell us about that.
Yeah, because, these are, this is not correct. I mean, these are products that probably do not kill the coronavirus. And so Amazon is removing listings for products that claim to prevent or stop the spread of the virus. The online retailer notifying third-party merchants that it's going to remove listings that claim to deal with the coronavirus. For instance, one antibacterial disinfectant cleaner claimed to, quote, kill the human coronavirus on contact. The products represent the latest issue for Amazon's marketplace. This marketplace now accounts for more than half of Amazon's overall sales, but it has been proven to host some counterfeit and unsafe products in the past. It's just hard to to police that when it's so big right now, but they want to make sure there's no erroneous coronavirus stuff out there.
Yeah, you got to be really careful. I had a cold last week. I went to the pharmacy to buy some hand sanitizer because I didn't want to spread it around, and they're like, we're out. We don't have any. So I guess, people are turning online to try to get these things that aren't in stock at brick and mortars, and some places are taking advantage of that. But good to see that Amazon is trying to shut that down. Okay, we're seeing new numbers, startling new numbers about Canadians living below the poverty line.
Yeah, Stats Canada today, Janella, they said now 3.2 million Canadians are living below the poverty line. This was the latest take on poverty. They were using Stats Canada, the 2018 income tax returns. Overall, this is concerning 566,000 children are living below the poverty line in Canada. However, Janella, that's compared to 1 million children 6 years ago. These numbers, although big, are down. In fact, the poverty rate now at a record low in Canada. Certainly, there are many working poor out there, and 3.2 million is a big number. But again, we're seeing an improvement when we look at the past decade or so.
Okay, before we go, let's take a look at the gas prices. Are we going to get a reprieve there?
No change for the price of gas tonight, though we did have a big sell-off for oil today. That could make gas cheaper later in the week. We're going to let you know. Coming up just after 6:30, we're back, Janella. We're looking at some interesting new information from a probe on Mars. We'll let you know what it found about the red planet.
Okay, can't wait. We'll see you then.
Thanks.